How to enable HD audio for Bluetooth on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to get higher quality sound from your connected Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Connections from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Bluetooth to open the Bluetooth settings. At this point, tap on the gear icon next to your connected Bluetooth device. In the next step, look for the option labeled HD Audio or Media Audio and tap on it or toggle it on. Following this, if available, select the highest quality codec available, such as aptX HD or LDAC if your device supports it. Once done, tap on the option to confirm and apply the audio quality setting. From here, close settings and the connected device will now use the improved audio quality automatically. Keep in mind, HD audio options only appear if both your phone and your Bluetooth device support the higher quality codec. Finally, if you don't see this option at all, it likely means your current earbuds or headphones don't support HD audio. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable HD audio for Bluetooth on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.